How to enable invite sent on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable invite sent on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Instagram app on your device. Tap on the messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. Locate the chat where you want to enable the invite sent on Instagram. So in order to enable the invite sent, you simply need to exit and go to the home screen. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Tap messages and story replies under how others can interact with you section. Tap message request under how people can reach you. Select your followers on Instagram. Select message request. Go back. Tap others on Instagram. Tap message request. Now refresh your home page as well as your messenger chat section and you can successfully enable the invite sent on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.